Hi guys, this is Vasant. Welcome to DSA Decoded channel. Let's get started. Today's problem statement is divisible and non-divisible sums difference. We are given with two positive integers n and m. We need to return the difference between num1 and num2, where num1 is the sum of all integers in the range 1 to n that are non-divisible by m, and num2 is the sum of all integers in the range 1 to n that is divisible by m. Let's understand this by an example. In this example, we have n equals to 10 and m equals to 3. We need to know how many integers are divisible by m, which is x in our case. So we'll divide n by m in order to get that. 10 divided by 3 will get 3. We have 3, 6 and 9 as our elements which are divisible by m. Divisible sum is 3 plus 6 plus 9, where we can take 3 common in order to get 1 plus 2 plus 3. When we see this, we get to know that this is the sum of n natural numbers, n into n plus 1 by 2. We can substitute n as x. We get 3 into x plus 1 by 2. We need to get non-divisible sum, which is equal to total sum minus divisible sum. And our answer is non-divisible sum minus divisible sum. We need to substitute equation 1 in equation 2 to get that. And our final answer is total sum minus 2 times of divisible sum. Let's code this out. We store total sum in total, which is equals to n into n plus 1 by 2. We'll store n by m into x. We'll store our divisible sum in sum. In our case, that is x into x plus 1 by 2. We'll directly return our answer, total minus 2 times m times the sum. Let's submit our solution. Hooray! It's the correct answer. Hope you liked the video. Thank you.